welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. For those of you who are new, welcome. My name is Jennifer Razon and this is my little space here in the YouTube universe. Today's Thanksgiving here in the United States. On this day, there is also a little fun run race called a Turkey Trot, which is usually a 5K, which is 3.1 miles. Now, Thanksgiving is usually held on the last Thursday of every November. So with that, I am heading over to the Rose Bowl where I signed up to participate in the 5K there. I'm already dressed up, ready to go. It's a similar gear to what I wore to the LA Big 5K, so that's pretty much it. So let's head on over. To the Rose Bowl and we're gonna go get our bibs. There's already a lot of people over here, which is great, so get on going. Hello. I am. Got it. Thank you so much. Made it to the Rose Bowl. Got my bib. Not wearing the arm sleeves today. It's getting pretty warm right now. Turnout here so far. It's like very community based and pretty much just going around the Rose Bowl loop, and yeah, it's gonna be a fun day. It's starting to warm up now, so I'm not wearing my arm sleeves, so people here, some with costumes, some with hats, some with beanies. I kind of almost feel like underdressed, but it's okay. We'll roll with it, but it's a fun vibe here. I'm really loving it right now. The golf course here right behind the stadium at Brookside Golf Course, so here we go. Different running on the golf course compared to the normal loop. Little baby hills. Was not expecting these rolling hills. Of course, we're running on the golf course, so it's expected. Had to pause for a bit and walk back there. Not used to running in this kind of terrain. It's all good. Keep on going. Golf course. Play 18 rounds of golf. LA Basin here to my left, and more golf courses. Little duck friends here. All right, down to the last half mile, and we're done. Let's go. Home stretch. Here we go. Last bit. Alright, overall it was a good race. Really enjoyed it. It's the first time I actually ran on the golf course. If you've never been to the Rose Bowl, behind it is Brookside Golf Course. So usually the parameter is around the Rose Bowl and the golf course. So it was pretty fun. Enjoyed it a lot. And yeah, now to have a nice giant plate of post-race Thanksgiving food. All right, I'll see you guys later. Key now is, can I find my car? And there it is, found it. All right, friends, there you have it, the Rose Bowl Turkey Trot. And for finishing the race, we all received this nice little turkey-shaped medal. As well as this lovely little 100-year commemorative pin for the Rose Bowl, which I did not know was actually made in 1922. It was pretty neat, and I love the Rose Bowl. It's usually one of my favorite places to actually train and just walk. Now, for those of you who haven't been to the Rose Bowl, around the parameter of the stadium and the golf course is an actual 5-mile loop where runners, walkers, and cyclists use just for their, exercise and relaxation. And for the route of the race, we actually got to run on the golf course, which is pretty neat. Now, I'm not used to the terrain of how golf courses are made, so it was pretty much just rolling hills throughout. But I had a really good time. It all made it worth, the run, seeing all these families and people just having a good time, seeing the kids trying to outrun themselves, and just giving themselves a good challenge was pretty great. And just seeing their determination to finish was pretty awesome. Now, turkey trots are usually a family-friendly fun run. Ooh, say that 5 times fast. And it's usually held on Thanksgiving Day, which is the last Thursday of every November. Now, there are definitely a ton of turkey trots happening throughout the country, and not just, just one specific city or organization. And a lot of the times, they are held for a local charity or, a different organization. So I will probably do another one next year. Maybe a different 5K, and see where that takes me. And with that, if you do like this video, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, as I definitely have more fun races, travel adventures, and everything else in between coming up, so you do not want to miss out on any of that. Until then, I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments. I'll see you guys next time. Take care.